Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Palantir. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on all our latest analyses. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool. It's powered by GPT-4 and you can find it at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. However, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 30, 2024, our system classified Palantir as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.63. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to closely monitor this evaluation to keep track of its progress in the coming days. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend, indicating a potential decline in the near future. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected -12.71% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -20.50% to 0.0432%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a significant 100.96% change, with a potential return between 93.55% and 182.9%. This translates to a price range of $32.40 to $47.36 after a year. Our latest update for Palantir brings an important headline: evaluation of Palantir stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Palantir stock price experienced a decline of 2.05% on the last trading day, Tuesday, January 30, 2024, dropping from $17.09 to $16.74. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 3.48%, reaching a low of $16.66 and a high of $17.24. While the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it still shows an overall increase of 1.27% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 1 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $574.23 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $21.85 and its lowest price at $7.19. Currently, the price is 23.39%, equivalent to $5.11, below the 52-week high, and 62.8%, equivalent to $28.26, below the all-time high on January 27, 2021, when it reached $45. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 5, 2024, Jefferies downgraded PLTR with an underperform grade. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush also gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley downgraded PLTR with an underweight grade. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Raymond James gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. Additionally, the analysts believe that the stock offers a good return on investment. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Palantir stock. The stock is showing mixed signals at the moment. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast, indicating a sell. Additionally, the relation between these signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upwards, it may face resistance at $16.90 and $17.08. However, if it breaks above these levels, it could issue buy signals. It's worth noting that the volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume is expected to follow price movements. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 4.76% increase so far. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The Pivots indicator also shows a buy signal, 17 days ago. The Bollinger indicator also shows a buy signal, 17 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal, 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gives a sell signal, 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal, 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a buy signal, 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a sell signal, 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal, 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir, a popular stock, has found support from accumulated volume at $16.39. This is an important level to watch because it could present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. When it comes to trading Palantir, it's important to note that the stock is usually traded at a good volume. This means that there is enough buying and selling activity to provide liquidity and minimize the risk of large price swings. In fact, the stock tends to have minor daily changes, making the risk considered to be low. Looking at the recent performance of Palantir, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $0.580, 3.48%, between its high and low points. This shows that there is some volatility, but it is still within a reasonable range. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.97%, indicating that it is relatively stable. Before we start discussing the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's begin by looking at some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Palantir has an extremely high P/E ratio, indicating that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share are at $0.0800. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Palantir. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $17.97. For those who don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. If you're already holding the stock, this level could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $16.39. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Palantir has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sell of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sell of 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Moore Alexander D. conducted an insider sell of 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A. conducted an insider sell of 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sell of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -19.731. In total, insiders have purchased 8,155,717 shares and sold 12,449,053 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock negatively and we recommend not setting a stop loss. Is Palantir stock a good buy? When it comes to Palantir, we have observed several negative signals that may impact its performance in the near future. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. However, our systems have detected that the current price is undervalued based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate Palantir to open up at $16.88, representing a $0.140 increase. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Thank you for being here with us at Stock Invest.